Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make seasoned egg, or some people call it egg omelette or vegetable eggs. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, please come on along for the video. So here I'll have 3 eggs. I have some tomatoes, some red tomatoes, some bell pepper, and this is orange and yellow bell pepper. Over there I have some finely chopped parsley, and then next to it I have some onions, and then over beside the onions I have some green onion, or otherwise known as scallion. I also have my salt to taste and also some black pepper. So if you're interested in seeing how I make egg omelette or vegetable egg, or some people might call it seasoned eggs, please come on along. And also guys, this recipe that I'm showing you, you can use it for breakfast or dinner. So without any further delay, come on along for the video. So here you have it, you guys, your seasoned egg, aka egg omelette or vegetable egg. And this is how I do mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video.